Hi, this is Hari Babu, working as Associate Professor in ECE Department in MLR Institute of Technology. Today, we are also discussing about probability distribution and probability density function problems only. See here. So, this problem is totally related to the continuous only. A continuous random variable x has probability density function fx of x equal to 3x square for 0 less than x less than 1. This is my probability density function. Now what he is asking, we need to find a value and b value. So that is, I want to find a and b value such that p of x equal to a equal to p of x greater than a. By using this condition, you need to find that one. First, I need to do p of x equal to a. First of all, probability is also called as probability density function. That is, fx of a is equal to 3 into a square. This is the first one, LHS. Next one, I need to find p of x greater than a. So here, my lower limit will be taken as a. So here, I want to write in reverse way also. P of x greater than a means I can write 1 minus p of x less than or equal to a also. Here p of x less than or equal to a means this is related to the probability distribution function. That is, simply I can write 1 minus p of x less than or equal to a, that is 1 minus capital Fx of a only. Okay, so here we know already the relation between probability distribution function and density function, that is capital Fx of x equal to integral of x equal to minus infinity to x, my density function Fx of x with the dx only. I want to apply same property here also, that is 1 minus integral of x equal to, for here my lower limit will be given as 0 to a with 3a square, that is 3x square with a dx, that also equal to 1 minus 3 is constant, that is x square integration x cube by 3 from the range of x equal to 0 to a, that is 1 minus, here 3 both are cancelled, we can write 1 minus a cube. This is my p of x greater than a. So simply I can write, by using the first condition, p of x equal to a is equal to p of x greater than a means, p of x equal to a means we got 3a square is equal to p of x greater than a means we got 1 minus a cube. So simply we can write a cube plus 3a square is equal to 1. Otherwise we can write a square into a plus 3 is equal to 1. So this is the a value by using that one. Next one, what he is telling, you need to find p of x greater than b is equal to 0.05. See here, p of x greater than b. P of x greater than b is equal to 0.05. 0.05. So p of x means p of x greater than b means I want to write in terms of the probability density function, that is p of x greater than b is equal to 1 minus p of x less than or equal to p. This is a distribution function, I want to convert in terms of the density function, that is 1 minus capital Fx of b only. We can write 1 minus integral of x equal to 0 to b, that is Fx of x, that is 3x square. 3x square with dx. This total value will be given as 0.05, that is 0.05 is equal to 1 minus, I need to find the integration for this one means, that is 3 into x square integration x cube by 3 from x equal to 0 to b, that is 1 minus 3 both are cancelled, that is 1 minus b cube. So we can write b cube is equal to 1 minus 0.05, that is b cube is equal to 0.99, so on like that, 995 like that. So here I want to find B value, means that is cube root of 0.995 like that. So this is my B value. So next one, this one is also related to that one only, that is probability distribution and density function. Here probability density function of the random variable x is given as fx of x is equal to k. Here my random variable x is varying between a to b. Here k is constant. So what he is asking, you need to find k value. So if you want to find k value, means we need to use the area under the probability density function is always 1. That is integral of x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity fx of x dx is equal to 1. That is integral of x equal to, for the given one, the range is given as a to b, x equal to a to b, fx of x equal to k with dx is equal to 1. From this one, I want to find the integration for this one, means that is k is constant, k into x from the range of a to b is equal to 1. That is k into, instead of x I need to substitute upper limit and lower limit, that is b minus a is equal to 1. So k equal to 1 by b minus a. This is the k value for the given one. Okay. Now what he is telling, you need to find p of mod x is less than c for c equal to 1.5. And here a value is given 1 and b value is given 2. So here I need to find p of mod x less than c. Here my c value will be taken as 1.5. So I can write p of minus 1.5 less than x less than 1.5. This is the general or given range for the probability function. See here, I want to find the probability of this random variable between minus 1.5 to plus 1.5, asking this function. But what he is telling, you need to give the value is a will be taken as 1 only, b value will be taken as 2 only. Why? Because see here my random variable is varying between a to b. So now by using the given data, I can write 1 less than x less than 2 only. But now he is asking, you need to find the probability of minus 1.5 less than x less than 1.5. See here, this minus 1.5, this is not existing in this range. My range is occurring from 1 onwards. So I can write p of 1 less than x less than 1.5. This is the correct one. Why? Because my upper limit will be taken as 2. So this 1.5 is less than 2 only. I can write this one, that is p of 1 less than x less than 1.5. So now I need to find this one, that is integral of x equal to, we know already fourth property of probability density function. What we know? P of x1 less than x less than or equal to x2 equal to integral of x equal to x1 to x2 small fx of x dx. We know already fourth property of probability density function. By using that one, I can write x equal to 1 to 1.5. My density function is k. K means 1 by b minus a. Here b will be taken as 2 and a will be taken as 1. That is 1 by 2 minus 1 with dx. So here integral of x equal to 1 to 1.5 1 by 1 with dx. So 1 will means integration of x, 1 will be taken as x only, x from the range of 1 to 1.5, that is 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5. So here p of, for the given data, I can write minus 1.5 less than x less than 1.5 means simply I can write p of 1 less than x less than 1.5 value is 0.5 only. So this is the calculated value. Next one, another one. Here, find the another problem, that is find the constant value of b such that my probability function, that is probability density function, is given as 1 by 10 into e power 3x for 0 less than x less than b. For this one, you need to find b value. Here, probability density function is given. That is small fx of x is equal to 1 by 10 into e power 3x for 0 less than x less than b. For that one, I need to find probability constant of b value. See here, we know already second property of probability density function. What we know? The area under the density function is always 1 only. That is integral of x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity small fx of x dx equal to 1 only. That is integral of x equal to, my lower limit is given as 0, my upper limit is given as b, into fx of x means 1 by 10 into e power 3x with dx equal to 1. Apply the integration for this one, means 1 by 10 is constant into e power 3x, same value on e power 3x divided by the differentiation of this total 3x will be getting is 3 from the range of x equal to 0 to b is equal to 1. That is 1 by 10, that is 3 into 10, that is 30. 1 by 30 into e power 3b minus e power 3 into 0 is equal to 1. That is 1 by 30 into e power 3b minus e power 0 means 1, 1 is equal to 1. So we can write 1 by e power 3b minus 1 is equal to, directly we can write 30. That is e power 3b is equal to 31. I need to apply logarithmic on both sides, means 3b is equal to ln 31, b is equal to 1 by 3 into ln 31. So that is the answer for this one. It's the b value for this one. Now we need to move to another problem, that is find the value of constant a such that my density function is a into 1 minus x square into cos pi x by 2 for minus 1 less than x less than 1 is a valid density function. For that one, I need to find a value only. That is fx of x is equal to a into 1 minus x square into cos pi x by 2 for minus 1 less than x less than 1. Here also I need to find a value, means I need to use the area under the density function is always 1 only. That is integral of x equal to minus infinity to plus infinity small fx of x dx is equal to 1. That is integral of x equal to, my limits will be given as x equal, lower limit is minus 1 and my upper limit is 1, with my density function a into 1 minus x square with cos pi x by 2 with dx is equal to 1. See here, assume this is the u, this is the v. We know already integral uv function, integral uv equal to u into integral v minus integral du into integral v. I need to use this formula. So now I need to write 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square will be taken as u, and find the differentiation for this one, means 1 is 0 and minus x square will be getting as minus 2x, and minus 2x differentiation is minus 2. Similarly, cos pi x by 2, right here, that is cos pi x by 2. Apply the integration for this one, means cos integration, that is sin pi x by 2 with pi x by 2 differentiation, that is differentiation will be taken as pi by 2 into, and sin pi x by 2 integration is minus cos pi x by 2 divided by pi by 2 whole square. Another time I need to apply integration, that is minus cos integration is sine pi x by 2 divided by pi by 2 whole cube. So now I need to find integral uv method. So apply plus, minus and plus, down arrow marks only. Now I can find, that is 1 minus x square into 2 by pi into sine pi x by 2. Next minus, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus 2x into 2 by pi whole square into cos pi x by 2. Next plus into minus, minus into minus, plus, that is plus 2 into 2 by pi whole cube into sine pi x by 2 from the range of x equal to minus 1 to x equal to minus 1 to plus 1 is equal to 1. Now I need to substitute the total value in this one, means we can get upper limit, that is I need to substitute upper limit means 1 minus 1, 0, that is 0 into something 0. First one 0. Next one I need to substitute upper limit in this one, means minus 2 into 1 into 2 by pi whole square into cos pi by 2, plus 2 into 2 by pi whole cube into sine pi by 2. This is my upper limit data, minus I need to substitute lower limit data. Here also 1 minus minus 1 whole square, 1 minus 1 0, that is total 0, minus 2 into, here x will be taken as minus 1, means minus 1 into 2 by pi whole square into cos minus pi by 2. Next plus 2 into 2 by pi whole power 3 into sine minus pi by 2 is equal to 1. See here, this is minus 2 into 2 by pi whole square into cos pi by 2, 0. This is totally 0. Next plus sin pi by 2 is 1, means I can write 2 into 2 power 3 by pi. Okay. Next minus of 0. Cos pi by 2, 1 only. So we can write minus into minus plus, that is plus, sorry, pi by 2, 0. 0 into something 0, 0 minus 0 plus 2 into 2 pi by 3 whole cube into sine minus pi by 2, minus 1 only. So simply we can write minus 2 into 2 by pi whole power 3 equal to 1. So here the total terms are, we are getting 2 into 2 power 3, sorry, 2 by pi whole power 3. Next minus into minus plus 2 into 2 by pi whole power 3 is equal to 1. That is 8 2s are 16. 16 by pi cube plus 16 by pi cube equal to 1. Sorry, wait 1 minute. Here I need to write a value. Sorry, here a. A is the constant. A into this one. Here also a into this total function. That is a into this one. That is a into this one equal to 1. So we can write a into pi cube is LCM, means 32 is equal to 1. That is a equal to pi cube by 32. Yeah. So that is here a value equal to pi cube by 32. Yeah. Thank you.